this video we're looking at resultant of coplanar forces by calculation, and we have to determine the magnitude and direction of resultant of force of 8 kilonewton acting at an angle of 50 degree to the horizontal, and a force of 5 kilonewton acting at an angle negative 30 degree to the horizontal. Write down the data which have been given here. Okay, so let's write down data, what we call data. So what we have been asked here, it is the magnitude and the direction. So we have been asked to find magnitude and the direction. Now let's write down the forces which you have been given, which is force 1 as 8 kilonewton acting at an angle of 50 degree horizontal, and we have force 2 which is acting at 5 kilonewton at an angle of negative 30 degree horizontal also. Okay, we write down the data which we need to have for us to find magnitude and direction. So now, in this way now, you write down the data. You start by writing down space diagram here. When you are dealing with vectors, you have to write down the space diagram for you to find all the calculation which you need to find. So this one we have an angle of 50 which is acting at 8 kilonewton, and we have 30 here. Don't get confused by this negative, just write 30, okay, which is 30 degree 5 kilonewton. Okay, so this is our space diagram. So from space diagram now you can find what we call the vector diagram. Okay, so now we have to find the vector diagram from this space diagram. So what you have to do, you take the ruler here, I hope you can see, then you take it down here to the vector diagram here, then you draw your line now here. So this is the 8 kilonewton. Now we have to follow this also, 5 kilonewton which is acting at 30 degrees. So you take it like the way it is here, then you take your law, then you take it to the vector diagram. So it will be like this, facing this direction here. Okay, facing this direction here, which is 5 kilonewton, in which we are only going to connect this line as a resultant one, okay, which is like this, meeting 5 kilonewton at head, and this direction should face each other. That's how resultant force is. So now from this vector diagram here, since here this O angle it is 50 degree, and here we have phi, and this is the angle which we are looking for, angle as a phi. So remember here also, this 5 kilonewton, it is starting at the horizontal here. Okay, it is starting at the horizontal. This 8 kilonewton, it is starting at this horizontal here. I hope you can see, and this horizontal here, it is for 5 kilonewton. So remember here we have 30 degree. Remember the angles which stand are parallel to each other like this. Angle which is here, it is equal to this angle here. That means if here we have 50, that means we have 50 here. Okay. So since we have 50 and 30 here, so for us to find the angle for inside, you must add 50 plus 30, then you subtract from 180. So 180 minus 180 degrees minus 50 degree plus 30 degree, in which to be 180 degree minus 50 plus 30, which is 80 degree, in which to be equals to 100 degree. So that will be the angle which we are going to use to find the magnitude. Here we find the magnitude before we find the direction. Okay. So now, since we have found this angle which we have here, if you can say this is a kind of triangle which is common in mathematics, in which we're going to use trig to find the magnitude of these vectors. Okay, so in which we're going to mitigate, because every vector starts at point O. So this is point O, here we have A, and this is the B here. Okay, so in which we're going to say, from this diagram which we have here, since we have two angles and two-sided, which is 8 kilonewton, 8 kilonewton is here, which is this force, and 5 kilonewton it is here. So now we have to find the length of OB. Okay, so how do we find the length of OB? So we are going to use what we call cos law. Okay, after using cos law, then we are going to use sine law. Then now let's write down the figures which we have here. Since we are finding OB, so we are going to say OB squared, which should be equals to OA, which is OA squared, and plus AB, which is AB squared, minus 2 open bracket. We are going to say OA, then AB, then cos angle, then cos angle of OAB, cos angle of cos angle of OAB. So cos angle OAB, it is 100. This is the cos OAB. This is the 100 which we have here. So in which we are going to say, let's substitute now the values, which is OB squared should be equals to OA. We have 8 squared, which is 8 kilonewton, then plus AB. AB we have 5 squared, and minus 2 open bracket 8 times 5, then cos angle OAB it is 100, which is cos 100 degree. Okay, in which you are going to have OB squared, it is equals to 8 squared is 64, and plus 5 squared it is 25, then minus 2 times 5, which is 10 times 8, which is 80, then cos 100. Okay, add 64 plus 25, you are going to have, here we have OB squared to be equals to 64 plus 25, it is 89, then minus 80 cos 100 degree. Okay, in which OB squared it will be equals to 89, then minus open bracket, then you punch on calculator, punch on the calculator 80 times cos 100. So it is negative 13.8918. Then negative times negative, which is positive, so you're going to have OB squared to be equals to 89 plus negative times negative, which is positive, plus 13.8918. Then if you add these values, OB squared, you're going to have, then minus, let's say negative times negative, which is positive here, so 89 plus 13.8918. So the answer you get, it is when you add 89 plus 13.8918, you are going to have 102.89. Then you provide square root both sides, in which OB it will be equals to, when you provide the square root both sides, you are going to have 10.14. So this is the length which is here, which is 10.14. So this is the length which is here, the magnitude. So now let's find the angle. Using cos law to find the magnitude, so we're going to use sine law to find the direction, which is the angle. So you found that it is 10.14 kilo Newton for all B. So now, since we have found the magnitude by using cosine law, and you have followed all the procedure which I did here, then we are going to find the direction by using what we call sine law, in which we are going to say, find this angle here, thigh, okay, in which we are going to say 5 over sine angle AOB, which should be equals to this magnitude which we have found here, which is 10.14 over sine 10.4. It is opposite with the 100, the sine 100 here, okay, and this one here 5, it is opposite with this angle which we are looking for here, okay. This is the angle AOB, in which to be, when you cross multiply, you are going to have as 10.14 sine angle, or which should be equals to 5 times sine 100. Then you divide throughout by 10.14 by 10.14 sine of angle AOB, it will be equals to, when you multiply 5 times sine 100, you are going to have, when you multiply 5 times sine 100, you are going to have 4.924. Then you divide it with 10.14. When you divide with 10.14, then the answer you're going to get for sine angle AOB, you're going to was 0.485. So that is table calculator here. So we are going to say angle AOB is equals to sine inverse of 0.485, the bracket, then angle AOB, it will be equals to, when you punch on a calculator, shift of, when you punch on a calculator shift sine, it will be what we call, which is 29.05, which is 29.18. So this is the angle, which is this O angle here, it is 50. So we have to find the angle which is at this here, which is thigh. Okay, so how do we find thigh? So we're going to say it is the angle AOB. So we're going to say 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees, which we have minus C. Angle OA 50 minus angle AOB, which is 50 degree minus angle 29.1, in which you're going to have as a 50 minus 21.1, you're going to have 20.9 degree as an angle. So this is the direction which we're asking for. So therefore the resultant two forces are, which is 10.4 as a magnitude, and the acting at an angle of 20.9 as a direction. So this is a direction and this is a magnitude. So found what the question was asking for. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the update. See you next time. Bye.